So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will be quickly updating you guys about BTC. So if you guys are new on this channel guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, basically BTC just today pumped exactly from this level, that is exactly sitting at 93 and $20. Basically we have bounced from this level and we have bounced from this level, which what I have planned exactly and what I have taught you guys in my last update. That was basically this liquidity level, and I talked about this liquidity level sitting here, which is very important, right? This is basically very important liquidity level. How beautiful my writing is basically. So basically this liquidity level is still untapped, although this liquidity level is also untapped. So it's very important level, and I was waiting for this level to get triggered today, but we got a front run, which is not a good thing, right? So basically for BTC, if you ask me, which I have told you guys in my last updates as well, I will be looking at this specific level, which is definitely sitting at 92.6k to 92.7k. This is a very important liquidity level, at the very important support as well, before we have taken these range lows. If we go below range lows, then we can push downwards, and then that's also a good in my last update I also talked about from 91.5k all the way up to 90k, 90.32k, whatever. We have a good level. So for now specifically, this level definitely means something more than, like, if we tap this, there is definitely more chances that we take out this liquidity, and then later on, after going into this, taking out this liquidity from this area and then going to the downside maybe. That's specifically because I have told you guys how sort of liquidities there is sitting at 96k. But what we had, this is Jupiter long from like $178, and basically this is what we have planned. Like if I show you something, today I planned this with my members. I told them this is a trigger for Jupiter, and this is what we will be waiting for. And you guys can exactly see this. We triggered this box, and we went some good profits, and my member made almost $200. And basically these are free trades in my Discord. This is another whiff call breakout, and then on the bullish retest we will enter at 55 cents, basically 55.5 cents. And if I show you something which is very important, is that just today we triggered this 55 cents entry, and then from there we went up all the way up to 62 cents, and it went up of almost like 11%. So this is another whiff trade as well. And secondly guys, if you guys want to join my VIP membership, this is last day, 30th April. Lifetime membership is usually $250, but today it would be for the last time $130. And if you guys want to buy lifetime and course, $350 is usually, because $250 for lifetime and $100 for trading course. It's just $230. So if you guys want to join, you guys can send a subscription amount to these wallets and then DM a screenshot. And later on, if we talk about the daily time frame on BTC, I have talked about this, that it can act like this, and then this overall area can act as a deviation. But for this deviation we must, like, if we dip back, we should get a daily candle closing into this area, and then later on we pump to the higher side. That's why I said from 91.5k all the way up to 90k zone, that would be our area. Also to look for some sort of this deviation retest, accumulation, then deviation retest long. That's also a case. While the other case is basically we don't see enough of no daily candle closing above, but there is a liquidity also sitting right here as well. Although this liquidity is taken out, if we dump, we can dump, but overall accumulation below the resistance is bullish, so if we flip we can definitely see a surge all the way up to 100. That's basic.